Hello everyone, let us meet the all new Mahindra Thar. Only the name has been retained. The car is completely revamped. It now looks somewhat similar to the Wrangler from Jeep. You can see the front windshield. Earlier it looked old with all around rubber beading. Also you can see the tiny elements like an air intakes design similar to the Jeep grille. Coming to the back, you can see full-sized 18-inch spare alloy wheel. All new design elements on the back. You can see LED tail lamp cluster. The car now gets lot of safety features like ABS with EBD, dual airbags, ESP with the rollover mitigation, hill hold and hill descent control. Now the front and rear bumper is made of plastic. Earlier it was metal. That is due to the stricter safety norms. You can see clear lens headlamp but normal headlights. Fog lamp is also clear lens with normal lights. Only the DRL is LED. Rest of the lights are normal lights, and also the tail lamp is also LED. You can see the skid plate with the mesh. The mesh is to protect the innards from foreign material getting in during off-roading. You can see the all new bonnet holder similar to that of Wrangler. You can easily open and close with a single hand. You can see the new 4x4 features like the 42-degree approach angle, 37-degree departure angle, increased ground clearance, increased water wading capacity. These are all added features to the four-wheel drive capability. You can see an all-new 16-inch alloy wheel in the pipeline for the lower variant. This is the 18-inch alloy wheel. On one side of the fender it is written as Thar, and on the other side you can see the engine spec, that is, this is the M-Hawk variant. You can see the antenna which is similar to that of Wrangler. You can see the metal foot plate. This is a standard feature. You can see the all new door opener. It is now wider and chunkier compared to previous generation model. One downside is that the fuel lid, for opening it you have to use the key. You can see the powder coating finish on the hardtop variant. You can see the rainwater channel, and this is the funkier looking ORVM with internal adjustment. This is the all new key fob, which is a flip type of key fob. So you are now getting remote open close function with the top of the line variant. Coming to the interior, you can see the door pads. You can see the electric adjustment for ORVM. All black interior. Compared to previous version, this is a complete revamp. You can see the old and new Thar door pads for comparison. You can see illuminated ring around the key fob area. Footwell is a bit cramped, especially the left leg is a bit cramped. It is okay with the automatic variant. For the manual variant, some more space could have been good. All new steering wheel, which looks more premium with the steering mounted controls. You can see silver inserts on the door pad. You can see the rear seat. Compared to previous generation, it has excellent fit and finish. The steering has got tilt adjustment. All new instrument cluster with the colorful MID. 7-inch touchscreen system with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, but no reverse camera as standard. One peculiarity of this instrument cluster or the entire dash is that it is rated for splash resistance, for making it more off-road friendly. You can see roof mounted speakers, LED inside lamp. This is the hardtop variant. You cannot detach the hardtop. You do get driver side seat height adjustment, which is manual. Also you do get lumbar support adjustment on top of the line variant. Getting inside is a bit tricky because it is ladder chassis construction, just like any off-roader. So it is meant for young people, not for older people. You can see tiny glove box. The car gets manual AC, not automatic AC. The instrument cluster and interior layout looks neat. As I already told you, getting inside can be a bit tricky for ladies and old people. You can accommodate 4 adults easily. You have to slide the front seat and get to the rear seat where the reclination can be adjusted further. You do get adequate leg space, plenty of headroom. You can see the roll bar, roll cage, and large windows. The interior lining could have been done more neatly. This looks really cheap. Some cheap sort of felt material is used for covering. They could have gone for somewhat more premium material. That is the part of roll cage with the holder. All the wires are exposed. They could have easily hidden those wires, making it more premium feel. That is isofix anchorage slot. The seat material is washable material. We can see the bottle holder. There is no armrest for both front as well as back. You can see the way how you fold the rear seat. You can see how the reclination is being adjusted. You get additional 30-degree reclination if needed. This is how you get out of this rear seat. As I already told you, it's a bit tricky. The rear door gets a chunkier door opener. All areas are neatly covered with plastic claddings. You have to lift the rear glass area where it has got rear defogger, but there is no rear washer or wiper. A somewhat cramped rear boot space. You can see the sensors, but there is no camera. But Mahindra has offered camera as part of accessory kit. There are plenty of accessory options available. All variants are 4-wheel drive capable. Even the base variant is 4-wheel drive capable. There are 2 engine options. All new diesel and petrol engines, both are BS6 variant, and both offers excellent mileage. Some people are claiming up to 19 kilometers per liter of mileage for diesel variant. Both are available in manual, 6-speed manual and automatic variants. So the all new Thar is now more family friendly. Young families can actually opt for this car. You can see the instrument cluster with plenty of details like off-road details. Inbuilt Apple CarPlay and an Android Auto are available, but the screen is a bit small. It's only 7-inch, but the response is really good. You do get Tyretronics. Overall, I am really impressed with the all new Thar, but I would suggest waiting for few months because early models might have some issues which they will eventually sort out. You can see the power window switch, coin slot, chrome surrounds. Actually, storage space is a bit on the lower side. Inside IRVM with the manual day and night mode. Vanity mirror is available for passenger, not for driver. And the molded roof looks neat and well put together. Check the sound quality. It has excellent sound quality. The bass too was good. You can see the AC vents, rotary adjustments. Once again, the setting of inside infotainment system. I really like the simple but practical looking instrument cluster with the tachometer as standard. The all new steering wheel is really nice to hold. No leather wrapping, but you have got plenty of accessories to choose from. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and support my channel.